Okay, so today we are here to look at the Luna Viewer updates from our August 2019 release, where we have introduced a new option for the detail view. So, Michelle, I'll let you drive and I'll ask you some questions as we go through the new feature.
Okay, that sounds great. So let's first start by entering the collection we have here. To get to the detail view, of course, you just click on a thumbnail image, and this opens up the new IIIF Mirador viewer that's embedded in the detail view. It functions the way that the normal viewer detail view works, with the exception that now we have, when you hover over an image, we've got some different icons in the top left-hand corner and the bottom right. So to start with, we could do smooth zooming, and that's a feature of this new IIIF viewer. So you see when you click the plus button and the minus button, or you can use your mouse or your keypad to scroll in to get into the details. Then you can also, as you're scrolling in, you can pan around using the arrows. So up, down, left, right. And then we'll scroll back out. Another feature of this detail view is that we have annotations. So we're using open annotations. These are at the collection level right now. So if you click on Annotation Tooltip, this is going to pop open a variety of different pointer tips that you could use. And we'll click on the box here because now in this beta version, this is the only one that's working. So we click on that, and then we grab a region and we create a square. And then we begin typing in our annotation. So we'll type in world map and save.
Great. This is the feature we've been waiting for in order to introduce the new detail view, because we wanted to support annotations, because we've always supported annotations in Luna.
That's right.
Cool.
Yeah. So the second thing that you can do is that you could also manipulate the image. Now, manipulating the image by clicking on this button, you could do rotation. So we can rotate to the right, to the left, and then you have different sort of settings that allow you to change the contrast, the saturation, etc. These are all session-based. So once you leave this particular screen here, you're not going to be able to save these
so if you
image manipulations that you've done.
Okay. So if you create a URL, either just a regular URL, via the share button, or if you create a IIIF manifest, those sort of details don't stay. You just default to the image in the detail view.
That's right, for this beta version.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Right. So then there's another layer to this, and it's to look at the detail view in what we call the full view. So if we expand out here to the full view, click on that, you get all of the same features that I just showed you, but you also are able to change the layout. And changing the layout allows you to look at different images or media items together on the same page in a grid layout. So if I click on this, I can select the grid type that I want. So I could do 1 square, I could do 9 squares. It's up to you. So if I do this example of 4 squares, click that open, and the way that you add an item, so it will automatically add the item that was already in the detail view. You would click on the plus button, and then you would go to another image, say in the Luna detail view, click on share, open up the IIIF manifest link, copy it. Then you can go back here, and where it says add new object in this window, paste in that URL, and load. So now this should allow you to bring that other image into the next grid. And so you can do that for as up to many grids as you have.
Great. So that's, we're really adding new IIIF features. We started in 2016, and now we've, added the new detail view and the ability to launch this additional screen where you can bring in other content from Luna or from other IIIF sources.
That's right.
And the other, between when we started with IIIF and when we launched the this new version of the Luna Viewer, we also introduced the Luniversal Viewer, which is for mobile devices, and we won't get into that one on this demo, but we'll add that to another upcoming demo.
Yeah, that's right.
Very good. All right. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.